You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
So now let's start with lab number 60. In lab number 60, we will be installing additional services on this Exchange server. So on the server manager, on Nita EXE01, I'm going to navigate to tools, not tools, as a matter of fact, not tools ever, because it is one of those things, add roles and features, next, select Active Directory Certificate Services, add features, next, and under this, this is where we want to make sure that we are selecting our role services under ADCS properly. So I'm going to select web service, web enrollment, certificate authority web enrollment, add features, and I'll also double check if I need to remove or change anything. Then click on next, restart the destination server automatically if required, click on yes, and just make sure that I have all of these things. I have the web server IIS options here and everything else set up. So going back one more time, let's just make sure that we are in the right place. Now under check the certification authority, ensure that this is checked, and web enrollment checkboxes. All right, next, and install. The only reason I'm being so careful about this is the fact that if this doesn't work well, I'll have to remove the entire feature and do it again, which is a little bit tedious. That, along with the fact that we are trying to create our own self-signed certificates and all those things, it will be a little bit difficult. So I just don't want to have a new, let's just say, mess on our hands. And one of the few reasons why I automatically go towards tools from the server manager is because I work a lot with Active Directory tools and I work a lot with all of those things. So automatically my mind always goes towards tools when I think of server manager. That is the reason why, nothing else. And also, it is a part of the habit to just go to Active Directory users and computers and just check whatever is in there. Things like that do keep happening every now and then. So now, right now, I'll just wait for this installation to complete and then we'll look at the next steps. So at this point, my installation is complete. I'm going to close this and I'll click on the notification icon here and click on Configure Active Directory Certificate Services in this destination server. So make sure that I'm logged in as Nita/administrator. Next. Now under this, I need to ensure that I check the certification authority and certificate authority web enrollment options here. Next. Now setup type standalone or enterprise. I'm going to go with enterprise. Click on next. Certifying authority. CA is certifying authority or certificate authority. I'm the root CA. Next. Create a new private key because I don't have a private key existing or anywhere else. Next. Now I'm going to use the normal thing that standard here, the SHA-256. That's the most standard algorithm that is used. Next. Now the common name, I'm not changing the common name either. I'm not changing anything under the CA name here. Next. Validity, I'm not changing it either. It's valid for 5 years. Next. Not changing the destination database. Next. And click on configure. So it's a whole sequence of nexts. Now I just want to see the results when it is done. And once it is done, I can just click on close. And now if I go to my file explorer, this PC, local disk C, and let's say root. I don't have anything under root. That's a good sign. But because we added everything here, we should be able to see the details here later on. But it's okay. We just configured the certificate services and that is the end of this lab here. So in the next few labs, we will be doing something along the same lines, making sure that we are using the certificate and then look at the next steps. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.